We fix cars for a living. That's what we do, and that's what we want to be known for, and that's what we want to be good at, or great at. And we are not a telecommunications company. We are never going to be a telecommunications, and quite frankly, we'd never ever be really even good at it. We'd be subpar at best. So how do you partner with the person that is the best in what they do and let them just have it? I mean, it's an old principle, but our team still talks about it, core versus context. The core is collision or glass or diagnostic scanning, and we need to focus all our time, energy, and effort on making those things grow, being technology enabled, being in front of the business, but we can't do that if we're worried about the regional manager's cell phone that he dropped in the lake. It just takes time away from our team to be able to do that, and then to hire the experts that know about telecom. So how do you find a great partner that can do that for you, and you can be completely hands-off? And that's always our focus. We're not security experts either, so how do you find a good security company? And that's the way we've done it, and I think at times we've probably pushed MetTel, like, oh, here's how it's done, and we're like, okay, but we want more. We want an integration with Workday. We want this. We want you to suspend it when this happens, and just keep pushing that more and more automation. And quite frankly, you've been up to the task every time and pushed us to look at things differently. And like you said, let the experts be the experts, and that's what you have provided with us, I mean, on the mobility side is what the topic is today, but in several areas as well.